Hello viewers, good day to you all. Guess you are doing well. Welcome back to our second class. In our previous class, we discussed on the introduction of chemistry, and also we started talking about elements, and we later highlighted some things that we are going to discuss in today's class. Now, let's kick off. How many elements are in the periodic table of an element? There are 118 known elements in the periodic table. So we talk about the trick on how to memorize the first 20 elements. So this is the mnemonic for you to memorize the first 20 elements. And what do we mean by mnemonic is that it's just a memory trick that we use our brain to make shortcut of some things to enable us remember the information. Remember the information that is hard to keep or like that is hard to memorize in the brain. Also, as you know, our brain remember rhymes, images, funny writings, or visual stops. So that's why I decided to use a mnemonics for you to be able to memorize the first 20 elements. And this mnemonic is for the elements, for you to remember what are the elements. Now, in this mnemonic, we are going to use letter, the first letter of each word here. And this is the sentence, and it's a simple sentence, and this is a sentence that make a complete sense. He has large brain, but cannot offer full 9 subjects. Many art students prefer science class and pass chemistry. Look at the sentence. He has large brain. Due to the large brain that he has, but cannot offer full 9 subjects. How many subjects do you offer in your WAEC and NECO? Is it not 9 subjects? So I use that one for you to be easily remember. So he has large brain but cannot offer full 9 subjects due to the fact that many art students prefer science class and even art students they pass chemistry due to the simplicity nature of chemistry and due to the easy way to learn chemistry, because chemistry is something that the more you know the basic, so that's the end of your problem. So that's my focus in my videos and in my tutorial. So now he, then we take the first letter H. Has, we take the first letter H. Large, we take the first letter L. Brain also, but can not offer full 9 subjects. Many art students prefer science class and pass chemistry. Take the first letter of each of these elements and you are going to form your first 20 elements. Now let's count how many how many letters are here. In the first line we have 6 words. The second line we have 5 words. The third line we have also 5 words, and the last line we have 4 words. So 6 plus 4 of the last line making 10, and 5 plus 5 of the middle lines we have 10. So that's make 20 words. So out of these 20 words, that means we have how many elements? 20 elements. Let's see how to form these elements now. These are the elements. So now, what's atomic number? Atomic number is the serial number. Is the same thing as serial number. Atomic number is equal to serial number. So the serial number that you normally see when you want to itemize something is the same thing as atomic number in this regard. So AN stands for atomic number, as the way serial number stands for SN. So now, as you can see, these are the first 20 elements you see, but we are going to stop at phosphorus for today's class for the sake of slow learners and also for the sake of time. Then inshallah in the next class we are going to see it very easy and very helpful and very educative and entertained as well. So now, we said, if you could remember from our previous mnemonics, we say what? We have what? We have he, and this he, if we take the first letter for H, it will form what we know as hydrogen. Then we have has, and this has, we can make it to be helium, and large, we can take large to be for lithium. Also, brain, take the first B to be as your beryllium, take the V for bat to be as your boron. Also, take the C for can to be your what? To be your carbon. Also, not to be your nitrogen. Offer, the first letter O to be your oxygen, the first letter F to be your fluorine, the first letter N here to be your neon, and the first letter S here to be your what? To be your sodium. Also, the first letter here M to be your magnesium, and the first letter here A to be your aluminium, and also student, the first letter for student S to be your silicon, and also prepare, the first letter P to be your phosphorus. So I believe that if you follow this trick way, you make sure you memorize that mnemonic, because it's just a simple sentence. He has large brain but cannot offer full 9 subject. Many art students prepare science class and pass chemistry. That's as simple as that sentence. Just memorize it. The moment you memorize it, just remember, if you say he has, okay, he, then H, hydrogen, has, helium, large, lithium, brain, beryllium, but, boron, can, carbon, not, nitrogen, offer, oxygen, full, fluorine, 9, neon, subject, sodium, many, magnesium, art, aluminum, student, silicon, prepare, phosphorus, then science, which is sulfur, and we are going to see the next elements in my next video. But as you can see, the row for symbols and mass numbers are what? Are empty. So in the next class, we are going to finish the rest of the 5 elements, because here we mentioned only 15 elements. So you follow them according to their serial number: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Also, if you follow all this one, if you memorize the serial number, so you already memorize the atomic number. And if you memorize the mnemonics that I mentioned as a sentence that I have shown you here, so it's as if you memorize the first 20 elements. And also you follow the way the spellings are, because sometimes students do commit some mistakes when writing the spell of the elements. So follow them all and know how to write this, how to write the names without making mistakes. And also for symbols, we are going to see how to write the symbols, and also what are the easiest way to memorize mass number. And in my next video, you are going to find it easy and helpful. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Love you all. Mwah.